What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the EC Eats. Today I'm going to be eating something I've been seeing a lot on my social medias, specifically by Tamed, aka Andy. Shout out to Andy. He's always preaching this place called Great Fountain. So it's like a Chinese cuisine takeout place, that your typical run-of-the-mill like Asian takeout spot. But he always gets this garlic chicken fried rice with the drink. And I decided to get some, I think this is either like milk tea, like some Thai milk tea. But look at that. It's smelling great right now. Look at this. You get the nice fried, deep fried chicken cutlet on top of that with the rice. Smelling real great, man. And I think overall this whole thing only costs about like $7.50 or $7, and then you added like $1 for a cold drink. So it's very, very affordable. Under $10 for all of this. And shout outs to my boy Jeremy too for sponsoring this video today. He bought me this for me. So yeah, very appreciative. Thank you, man. So let's dig in. You got some like big, thick pieces of this chicken cutlet. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. And you got like a lot of sauce in it. I think it's like black bean sauce or something. But then it's like the typical like Asian fried rice you get in like any type of like restaurant, like the yellow rye rice. So let's just get some of this rice first. Yeah, big old bite. I like that flavor. It's smooth. It's like that typical black pepper sauce. But yeah, it's really good. Let's try the main attraction, the big old fried chicken here. Wow. Skin is super crispy. Even though it's been a minute since I bought it, it's still very crispy. And the meat is tender and juicy. Wow. Yeah, it's good. So it's not Thai milk tea. I thought it was, judging by like how it kind of looked, a little darker, but just regular milk tea. Very nice milk tea too. It's very like, very rich, very sweet as well. It was bomb. I understand why you always preach this, Andy. Absolutely phenomenal this is. And for the price, you cannot beat that. Chicken's like super juicy. Oh, I did not expect it to be this good. The only problem is that there's a lot of bones in it. A lot of, you see, there's like a bone like right there. So like, you can't just like chomp away at it. It's not like a typical cutlet where there's no bones in it. But if you don't mind the bones, this is really good. The skin is the best part. Nice crispy skin, but like it's garlic chicken, right? So you definitely taste the garlic on top of the skin right there. And then when you eat it, it's like a burst of flavor. That's really good. Skin's probably my favorite part of the chicken. Don't get me wrong, that meat itself is really nice too. Very tender, juicy. Oh man, I'm dropping shit everywhere. That sauce is really good too. I should, next time, I should ask for more sauce. Man, I had to get chopsticks, man. It's kind of hard to eat this chicken with a spoon. The bones do make it a little tedious to eat, but I feel like when you have the bone in, you get a little bit juicier meat. Maybe that's just me. Is that a superstition? Is that true? I have no idea. They do a lot of meat for this. Like, look how each chunk is so big. For the value, like under $9. Man, that's why Chinese takeout is always such a good like bang for your buck. You get good ass food and it doesn't cost you too much. Feed a whole family for like maybe like under like $50. Milk tea goes down smooth too. I think that's a bone like that. Overall, no complaints with this. Very delicious. Only thing is maybe more sauce. Well, that's just me. I just love saucy rices. Oh my God. Look at that one more time. Give them another look. Get up close in there. Look at that. Crispy skin, juicy meat, the sauce at the bottom. Chicken skin is the best, man. If you don't like chicken skin, I'll be friends with you. Oh. Yeah, without the extra sauce at the bottom, the rice gets a little dry. Nothing to complain about though. I'm also very hungry right now, so maybe my judgment is a little skewed, but I don't think so. Last big old piece of garlic fried chicken. This is like really great comfort food, man. Like it's hearty, it's meaty, you get full from the carbs, really good flavor. Oh man. Shout out to Great Fountain, man. Once again, making some good food over there. And shout out to Tame, man, putting everybody on this. I feel like him alone has given them so much extra business. I mean, I would have never known about it if it weren't for him. Last little bit. Fantastic. Man. For like the rating, taste 8.5 out of 10, man. Oh, Splendid, absolutely delicious. Magnificent. Too many, not enough words to describe it. Really good. I just love it. Value, 9 out of 10 value, man. Like, of all the stuff I've eaten on this channel, everything I've eaten is like probably like over 10 bucks. And sometimes it's even less portion than this. This is under $9 with a drink. Absolutely fantastic. And then appearance, I always give the appearance all like a 9 out of 10. I always give appearance really high just because everything looks good to me. But yeah, anyways, that's it for me. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below what I should eat next. And yeah, I'm out of here. Peace out.